Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant voice chat issues. So first, you need to check your Windows sound settings. Right-click on the sound icon in your taskbar and then select Open Sound Settings. Under Input, make sure that you selected the correct microphone. Speak into your microphone to verify that the input volume bar reacts. And under Output, ensure that your preferred speakers or the headphones are selected as the default device. If you need to adjust further, click on Manage Sound Devices option or Advanced Sound Options. And in the Playback tab, select your main speakers or the headphones and click on Set Default, then Apply. Also configure Valorant audio settings. Launch Valorant. Then after go to its settings, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on Settings. Then go to Audio section from the top, which is between video and viewing. From here, make sure that the slider is in its maximum point and set other options according to your preference. Also go to the voice chat and voiceover and set these settings accordingly. And when you're inside the game, verify that the party voice chat and the party voice during the custom game are both enabled. You can click on this voice settings option. Then after, make sure that the party voice chat is enabled. Also, the option of party voice during the custom game is enabled. You can also change the keys if you like. Then after, click on Save and Close. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.